News breaking this morning. Watch closely how these armed robbers threaten a jewelry shopkeeper in Vadodara and loot ornaments worth 50 lakh rupees. However, the shopkeeper's son has nabbed one robber while two others are absconding. And those dramatic visuals coming in from Vadodara there, where a shopkeeper is being looted.
बस एक बंदा आया, उसने ऐसा बोले 40-45 हज़ार के आजू बाजू मुझे चेन दिखाओ, तो हमने उसको चेन दिखाई। बाद में ऐसा बोले जेन स्वीटी दिखा, तो उसको जेन स्वीटी दिखाई। उसके बाद उसके पीछे दो बंदे आए गन लेकर, उन्होंने गन हमारे पे रख दी और सब माल लेके चले गए। एक बंदे को मैंने पकड़ लिया है, वो पुलिस के पास है, दूसरे दो बंदे भाग गए।
Right, Abhishek is joining us for more on that. Abhishek, first up, do take us through the sequence of those events. Very dramatic visuals coming in where the armed robbers have threatened a jewelry shopkeeper in Vadodara there.
Well, yes, not only threatened, in fact, scooted away with about 60 lakhs worth of gold. That's as per the FIR that has been filed. We are told about 2 kgs gold has been taken away. And as the pictures speak, it's a daring robbery, daylight robbery. And I tell you, this area, Manjalpur, is almost like a congested area, and in the western part of the city, and in the southern part of the city, and it's chock-a-block with traffic, thoroughfare, and a residential and commercial area. So it's interesting to see how the police would explain that a daylight robbery could happen in an area like that. And though of course the Good Samaritans around could manage to nab one of the culprits, and it seems as it happens that all three involved in robbery were from outside the state. Thankfully, the cops say that they have been identified following the interrogation of the one who was nabbed by the people and given over to the police. And the police obviously says that they would be able to crack the case as soon as possible. But the fact that this kind of robbery could take place in the city in daylight speaks volumes how things are.
Abhishek, thanks so much for giving us your inputs on that story. Meanwhile, let's listen into what DG Patel, the Joint Police Commissioner of Vadodara, had to say about this entire matter.
को पकड़ लिया गया है। इसके पास से 2 पिस्टल रिकवर हुए। बाकी जो नाम हमें मिल गए हैं। मांजलपुर पुलिस स्टेशन में इसका गुना दाखिल हुआ है। PI मांजलपुर इसकी तपास कर रहे हैं। क्राइम ब्रांच और पूरी बड़ौदा पुलिस की टीम इसमें लगी हुई है। जो नाम मिले हैं वो यूपी वाले हैं। 1-2 और भी नाम हैं, तो इसके पूरी इंक्वायरी हम कर रहे हैं, तपास कर रहे हैं। आशा है कि बाकी लोगों को भी हम पकड़ पाएंगे।